In this video, I'm going to show you how to get KuCoin token sales ticket, what assets you need to have on your account for you to be able to participate in this token sales. I've made a video on how to join this token sales already. I'm going to leave it in the video description, and I'm going to tell you the assets you need to have in your account for you to be able to participate in this token sales. So right now I'm going to scroll down to just get straight to these details of token you need. You need USDT, you need USDC and Bitcoin and Ethereum and KCS. So the total balance, the hourly average USDT denominated net asset value NAV of USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum and KCS will be determine the final number of lottery tickets each user can receive. Winner will be chosen in lottery draw after the period of subscription have ended. So right now this is the period of this subscription from 000 on April 15, 2023 to 16 o'clock on April 2022, 2023 UTC. So this is the period of time. Once you join this token sales that I have told you that I've made a video about that, I will leave this link in the video description. If you watch this this video and you've joined this already and you have this asset in your account, KuCoin will be counting your hourly average holding in your account. So at the end of this period of this snapshot, then you have to be eligible to participate. Users are requested to have daily average USDT nominated net worth, net asset value of at least $50. So right now you have to have at least $50, nothing less than $50, or you can have up to $9,000 on your average holding, daily average holding. And this is the table over here. If you have 50, you have 150 to 500 holding, you have one ticket. 500 to 1000 holding, you have two tickets. Then 1000 to 2000 holding, you have three tickets. That's how this works, and that's how you'll be able to get this ticket on KuCoin token sales. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification, and make sure you do your own research and know what you're about to do.